10 degrees. I love this. The runway there.
Oh yeah, the synthetic vision. So the green dot on top of the runway, huh?
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
That's very useful because you're getting there at the present conditions of the wind, you're getting there. If you continue in that.
Ah, I see. That's pretty cool.
So you have to adjust the power here to get this speed there. We have this wind coming at us at 7 knots.
500.
Right. So you need a little bit more power.
Cessna 64 to X-ray Paine Tower, right down there with you for right.
Got a good descent angle. You're not doing this, which is great.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
Sorry. Now I'm doing it.
All corrections is okay.
I don't know how not to do it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's instinctual.
Yeah.
Looks great. Very nice.
Oh, okay.
Very good.